Hello, what's up, guys? I noticed some people having trouble while updating their iPhone software to iOS 17, and where it says preparing update and it's stuck there forever. Now, there are a few different solutions that you can do to update to iOS 17. I was actually updating two sets. You see, the other one is done already 17.0.1, but this one is stuck on preparing update. If you look at the time, it's 5:44 and this phone is showing 4:55, so it's been like 49 minutes stuck here, so I'm pretty sure it's not even doing anything. So there are a few steps you can do. You have to start all over. Basically, some people say that you put it on flight mode for like 30 seconds and put it on normal mode back. For some people, yeah, it solves the problem. But the permanent solution is you gotta give it a hard reset. As long as your battery percentage is more than 50%, or try to keep it plugged in, into the wall charger. So to give it a hard reset, and I found out that that's the permanent solution. After giving it hard reset, first of all, you're not gonna lose any data, okay? And secondly, it 100% works after giving it a hard reset. To give it a hard reset, all you have to do is press and release quickly volume up button and then volume down button, and then press and hold the power button. It will show this slide to power off. Keep holding the power button, don't let it go, and then eventually it will show the Apple will reappear on the screen, and as soon as you see Apple, then you let it go. So once the phone boots up, it 100% it will update, and you gotta make sure that you have stable internet Wi-Fi connection and put the phone on charging. I hope it helps, and see you next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.